Do you know the difference between the different colors in the radio reference database? Green, yellow, and gray? On screen, we have the current map of the United States, and we can see that we've got green states, we've got yellow states, and we've got gray states. And each one of these colors represents when the database was last updated for that state. Let's drill down and take a look. So if we look at New York, we'll see that we have some counties that are yellow, some counties that are green, and some counties that are gray. Now, the green counties down here, there was an update in the database in the last 24 hours for these counties. Anything that's yellow means that there was an update within the last 7 days. And anything that is not tinted green or yellow means that there hasn't been an update within the last 7 days. So now if we drill down even further, I'll click in New York City, and if I scroll down, I can see that the New York City County trunk systems had an update in the last 24 hours. So if we click in on there, we can scroll down and see that the Joint National Capital Region trunk system had an update recently. We can also see, though, that the One Voice Network had an update within the last 7 days. So just because something is green, that doesn't mean that there aren't other updates as well. This one in point has an update that's within the last week. If we click on this trunk system, we can scroll down and see what has been recently updated. Again, we have something that was updated within the last week, but if we scroll through this system, we're not seeing anything that is green. We only see updates within the last week. So how do we find what has changed? Normally, if you go on the menu, you can click on Change History and see the latest changes. Or you can come down here to the last updated section and click on there. And then you'll get the latest 100 changes on that system. And this change right here happened the same day that I'm recording this video. And we can continue to scroll to see the last 100 changes on this system. And if there's conventional channels that were updated, they'll also appear the same way. We can scroll down here into St. Lawrence County, and we will see that the frequencies that were last updated in the past week are yellow. And if we click on the latest change up here at the top of the page, we can see the last 100 changes to this county. So there you go. Now that you know how to crack the code, you will know what states or counties or systems have been updated in the last 24 hours, the last week, or not within the last week. Let me know in the comments below if this was helpful or if you have other questions about using the radio reference database.